Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to tell you about the new Repair Me range. The Repair Me range is a 3-part system that uses naturally derived superfood proteins from green peas and fruit enzymes from papaya and pineapple. Traditionally, high protein products had left a residue in the hair, making the hair feel brittle and stiff. We have found a way to encapsulate the protein within an enzyme that keeps the protein in a lipid or softened state. The enzyme keeps the protein kind of wobbly and soft. It fits exactly into the damaged site like a key in a lock. Firstly, begin with the Repair Me wash. It contains powerful protein enzymes, bamboo and nettle extracts to reconstruct and strengthen damaged hair. Next, condition with Repair Me rinse, which deposits green pea proteins that are encapsulated in fruit enzymes from pineapple and papaya. The enzymes keep the protein soft and supple, resulting in soft, repaired hair. Aloe vera gently lubricates the surface, providing a reflective shine. Restore is like a shot in the arm of concentrated protein. Restore is a no-foam cleansing treatment and it replaces your shampoo and conditioner on the day of use. So here's how it works. On Monday and Tuesday, you use Repair Me wash and rinse. Then on Wednesday, you replace your wash and rinse with Restore. Restore uses no-foam technology and will treat and cleanse your hair at the same time. It gives you that shot in the arm of protein without any brittleness or stiffness. So here are the results of the Repair Me wash, Repair Me rinse and the Restore treatment. Soft, shiny, repaired hair.